Hey there, guys. I want to go through our LPA, our stats sample for the LPA. So I'll show you basically how you go about doing it. You'll have one that's similar to this one. As long as you go through it, show your work, and do a good write-up at the end, then you should pass it with no problem. So in this one, it says, in a research project about favorite subjects in school, students were asked if they prefer math or English. So that's the first part that we're going to go to is math or English students. They were also asked if they would consider themselves a morning person or a night owl. So that's the second part that we have that we'll look at. 43% of the people said they prefer math. Of the people who preferred math, 16% of them said they were morning people. And 75% of the people who preferred English over math said they were morning people. What percentage of people prefer math and are night owls? So first of all, we're going to break it into we're going to make a branch here, and we're going to start out with the first thing that they covered is we have math people and we have English people. Now, if I look at it, it says 43% of the people said that they prefer math right here. So that's the other part. So we have 43% here. So 43% minus 100% gives us 57% are English. So then we break into the next one. It says, okay, of the people who preferred math, so we're in this math section right here, okay, 16% of them said that they are morning people. So of these math, we have either morning people or not morning. Okay, 16% of them are morning people. So that means we have 84% that are not morning people. If you go to the next thing, okay, of the 16% of them said they're morning people, 75% of the people who preferred English, so we're down here at this English, okay, so again, we'll have morning people, and we have not morning people down here. So here's our branch for them. And they said 75% of people who preferred English over math said that they were morning people. So we had 75% of the English people were morning people. That means 25% are not morning people. So then we go to the next thing. So here's a real question. It says, what percentage of the people who prefer math? So as I look at it, I'm going this way. Those who prefer math, so that's 43% that prefer math. So this is our math people, are night owls. So are not morning people, so we'd say night owls. And so then we have, of these 43%, we have 84% that are night owls, or as I put, not morning people. I should put night owls here, so I'll do that. So night owls. And this is not night owls, to be exact with it. Okay. Oops. And okay. So we have our night owls here, and here's our vein, 25%, and this is night owls. So it's just important to now once we find that, okay, we have this percent over here. The last thing we have to do is, so this is multiply these together. So this is night owls. So we just take these two and we multiply them together. So 43% is 0.43 as a decimal, times it by 0.84. So we're going to go again, 0.43 times 0.84, and that gives us this would be 0.3612, and we're going to round to the nearest decimal, so that's 36%. So we'd write up our answer, okay, 36% of, again, in a research project about favorite of the people in the research project. We just say 36% of people in the research project prefer math and are night owls. And so there you'd be. So that would be it. That's all you need. Again, you need to show your branch. Once you have your branches, then show your math, your multiplication of how you got those numbers, and then do your write-up. If you miss any of those, then you won't get the credit you need. So make sure you have all those in there. So that's how you go about doing the LPA for the stats model.